In order to create flooring in our project, we will first create a separate layer or tag for flooring and will make that layer current. Now we will turn off the visibility of all the layers except the floor and CAD plan layer. Make sure that the CAD plan group is locked. If not, then go ahead and lock it by selecting the group and then right-clicking and choosing Lock. Now I will pick Rectangle tool and start creating a floor in each area. I will do it quickly. Now to add ceiling, you have to create a separate layer for it and make it current. Now we are going to copy floor for creating ceiling. First we will select the floor and then pick the move tool either from the toolbar or by typing M on the keyboard. Then press Ctrl key to create a copy of the selected geometry and then place it at the appropriate place. Repeat the steps for creating ceiling in other areas. Make sure it is on the correct layer.